Greetings and salutations, gamers. This is JohnDaGamer64, the legend, the one and only, and yours truly. And I welcome you to a new episode of JohnDaGamer64's Munchies Review. So instead of going out to eat today, I decided to order in. So, yeah. So I was perusing through Uber Eats and found this place called Pardon My Cheesesteak. And I'm definitely an avid fan of cheesesteaks. And no, I'm not from Philly, so this review won't be biased against, only having Philly cheesesteaks from Philly. From Philadelphia. Although, I do love that show, Always Sunny in Philadelphia, though. But anyways, I digress. So I ordered 2 items. Of course, just a standard cheesesteak, as well as these loaded cheesesteak fries. You gotta take a look at this beast here. Like, holy man. That's a lot of food. Here we are. Nice and wrapped. Go ahead and unwrap it. Ooh, that looks so good. Oh, it smells so good too. Slightly toasted bread, very nice. Very cheesy. Oh man, should be good. And here's the loaded cheesesteak fries. Oh my god, ready to dig in here, man. But yeah, cheesesteak fries. I mean, I'm very familiar with carne asada fries from like Roberto's or Don Tortaco, and those are amazing. So I am wondering how the cheesesteak meat's gonna taste with it. Well, guess we'll find out. But yeah, before we do that, let's get a nice view of the food here. But look at that beast. All that cheese. Those beautiful caramelized onions. If you could, man, you could just like watch the video and you could smell the video here. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so good. Alright, definitely not disappointed with the smells and the looks, so let's see how it tastes. So we'll definitely start with the loaded Philly cheesesteak fries here. Holy man, that's so good. That hits in all the right places, I gotta say. Okay. So yeah, I guess with the fries, they didn't, make them crispy. Which isn't a problem, because it's already loaded with the meat, the cheese, and onions. So maybe that's a good thing, because I guess with the crispy fries, it would make it soggy. So that was a good decision on that one, making them crispy. The meat is fantastic. That is good Philly cheesesteak there. Ooh. Onions are grilled to perfection. Look, everything culminating together, the meat, the cheese, the onions, the fries, just hits right. Yeah, I'm not finding anything bad about these so far. And I'm not for Philly, so I'm not a snob. Friends of yours not biased towards that. Definitely gets a thumbs up. Alright, that's fantastic. So yeah, definitely a good choice on not making the fries crispy because you wouldn't want them soggy. So they're already like kind kind of have that texture where they're like soft. Like the texture of soft fries instead of crispy. So I do think that works for like a loaded deal here. Even though with the carne asada fries, they usually do them crispy. But yeah, this works here though. Alright, and best for last, cheesesteak itself. Alright, this way. That's good. Pretty sure the bread is fresh. It's nice and soft. It's slightly toasted, which is good. Yeah, nothing worse than like soggy bread. But yeah, this is perfect. Perfect. Cheese, great. Meat's good. Not too dry. Just like the right amount. Like the right consistency. So after tasting the meat, cheese, and onions from the loaded fries, I already know it's going to be good as the sandwich itself. But the bread's just perfect. Like, it's not soggy, it's not hard. It's just perfect. Like, this, okay. 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up for the loaded fries and the cheesesteak. I can definitely see myself ordering from this place again. Pardon my cheesesteak. Pardon my French, but this is fucking awesome. Okay, alright. Well, pardon my cheesesteak in Las Vegas. I think they also have another location in Henderson. Definitely check them out. Yes. I don't eat at too many cheesesteak places, but I wanted to change my palate a little up. So, yeah, great cheesesteak place. And until next time, folks, love, peace, and chicken grease.